Hello and welcome to this video on the benefits of setting financial goals and how to achieve them. Financial goals are essential for helping us create a roadmap for our financial future. They provide a sense of direction, focus, and purpose when it comes to managing our money. Not only that, but setting financial goals can also help us to feel more in control of our finances, reduce stress, and make better financial decisions. There are many different types of financial goals that we can set. Some common examples include saving for a down payment on a home, paying off debt, saving for retirement, or building up an emergency fund. No matter what your financial goals may be, it's important to make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, a framework known as SMART goals. So, how do we go about setting and achieving financial goals? Here are some steps to follow. Determine your current financial situation. This means creating a budget to understand your income, expenses, and savings. It also means calculating your net worth, which is the total value of your assets minus your liabilities. This will give you a baseline to work from and help you to understand where you stand financially. Set specific, SMART financial goals. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve financially, and make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," try, "I will save $500 per month for the next 6 months to build up my emergency fund." Create a plan to achieve your goals. Once you have your goals in place, it's time to come up with a plan to achieve them. This might include specific actions such as cutting expenses, increasing your income, or investing your savings. It's also important to include a timeline for achieving your goals. Track your progress regularly. It's important to regularly check in on your financial goals and see how you're progressing. This will help you to stay on track and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. Celebrate your achievements and reward yourself. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your successes and reward yourself when you reach your financial goals. This can help to keep you motivated and encourage you to continue working towards your financial dreams. Setting and achieving financial goals takes time, effort, and discipline. It's okay to make mistakes along the way and have setbacks. The key is to stay focused on your goals and keep working towards them. In conclusion, setting financial goals is an important step towards creating a bright financial future for yourself. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can set and achieve your financial goals and take control of your finances. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and gave you some useful tips for setting and achieving financial goals.